investiture ceremony was held at Rashtrapati Bhavan on 27th May. President Draupadi Murmu presented the Padma Awards 2025 at the civil investiture ceremony in the presence of Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Union Minister for Home Affairs Amit Shah along with other dignitaries. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was on a two-day visit to Gujarat from 26th to 27th May. On 26th May, the Prime Minister visited Dahod and Bhuj to lay the foundation stone, inaugurate and dedicate to the nation multiple development projects. He also attended the celebrations of 20 years of Gujarat urban growth story in Gandhi Nagar on 27th May. On 31st May, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Madhya Pradesh on the occasion of the 300th birth anniversary of Lokmata Devi Ahilyabai Holkar. The Prime Minister inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of multiple development projects in Bhopal. The PM also released a commemorative postage stamp and a special 300 rupees coin dedicated to Lokmata Devi Ahilyabai featuring a portrait of her. Later in the day, PM Modi also inaugurated Datia and Satna airports and passenger services on the super priority corridor of the Yellow Line of Indore Metro. He also transferred the first installment for the construction of 1,271 Atal Gram Sushasan Bhavans worth over 480 crore rupees. These bhavans will provide permanent infrastructure to Gram Panchayats, helping them manage administrative functions, conduct meetings, and maintain records more efficiently. The cabinet approved the minimum support prices for 14 kharif crops including jowar, bajra, tur, ragi, and urad for marketing season 2025-26. The cabinet gave its nod for the continuation of the modified interest subvention scheme for the financial year 2025-26 with existing 1.5% interest subvention. The cabinet also approved the construction of 4-lane Badwil-Nallore corridor with a length of over 108 kilometers at a cost of more than 3,650 crore rupees in Andhra Pradesh on National Highway 67 on design-build finance operate transfer mode. Apart from this, the cabinet gave the go-ahead for 2 multi-tracking projects across Indian Railways in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, with a total estimated cost of 3,399 crore rupees approximately. On 26th May, Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan presided over a letter of intent handover ceremony to University of Liverpool in New Delhi. University of Liverpool has become the second United Kingdom university to set up science, technology, engineering, and mathematics campus in India. Speaking at the ceremony, the Union Minister said that 15 foreign universities will come to India to open their campuses in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology Ashwini Vaishnav announced several key initiatives under the India AI mission aimed at advancing India's AI journey in New Delhi. Speaking on the occasion, the Union Minister reiterated Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision for democratizing technology.